Oh, thank you, Blue.
Nick Jr. Nick Jr. Nick Jr. Nick Jr. Nick Jr. Nick Jr.
Well, thanks to you, Sammy won't go to sleep without watching Blue's Clues. I had to sit through it 20 times.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh my God! You're Steve from Blue's Clues.
Yeah, it's okay, you're just dreaming.
I am?
Yeah, it happens to a lot of mothers. But don't worry, you'll wake up soon.
So you want to make out?
Yeah, sure.
Coming up next, it's those fearless little chipmunks. They're saving this and saving that. They're everywhere. Right after this, it's Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. So stay tuned.
And don't miss out, cause Zombies 3 the movie will start tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. Central, right here inside Playhouse Disney.